In this video, I'm going to show you how to make motion blur in CapCut PC. So the first thing you want to do is find yourself a video you'd like to add motion blur to. In my case, I'm going to use this render of this 3D car driving down the road from the library inside CapCut. And once you've done that, once you've put your clip into the timeline, you have to select it by clicking on it and then go into Video, Basic, and then scrolling down just a little to where you see motion blur. You have to then click on it, and mind you, everything you do with the motion blur will have to process, and this can take some time. Now you can select how much blur you want. As you can see, in my case, I want it to be at 100%, so at 100, and then you can select how much blend you want it to be. So in this case, I'm going to put a blend on 60. And as you can see, it starts processing and goes fast or slow depending on your laptop specifications or computer specifications. And you can choose the direction you'd like it to go. You can make it go both ways, only forward or only backward. Now I'm going to keep it at both. And then how many times you want it to happen. So in my case, I want it to happen 4 times. And as you can see, this already started processing, and it goes quite a bit slower since it has to process more data you just gave it. But once it's done processing, you'll see that your motion blur was applied 4 times. And as I said, it goes from once, twice, up to 4 and 6 times as well. And you can do this for any video you'd like, but of course it works best with videos where there's a lot of motion. And these are all the options it lets you set and customize. And as you can see, once that's done, a motion blur applied message will pop up. And if I now play this video, you can see that the motion blur was clearly applied. Now let me show you the difference. This is with motion blur, and this is without motion blur. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of difference, right? And yeah, that's how you add motion blur in your CapCut PC. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to subscribe to the channel.